Number 3 of 3 in the Nite Glow Cage in the Monster Jam Hot Wheels series is Batman. And this one is going to be pretty cool to have. All of the Edge Glow roll cages have been very interesting here in 2018. And with Batman, it's going to be a real cool one. And so let's go ahead. On the back of the box here, we have clear crushers of Superman. There's Batman again. Then we have tour favorites of Northern Nightmare, Black Stallion, and Creatures. Aftershock and Mud, Mohawk Warrior and tour favorites, and Megalodon in epic editions. So let's unbox Batman and take a closer look. There he is. He comes with a station wagon, recrushable car. And into the arena, here is Batman. And one of the big reasons I kind of like the Batman with the glow-in-the-dark roll cage and the chassis is because when you think of Batman and stuff, everything in the nighttime, everything is like really dark in Gotham City and stuff, and just to have something that glows in the dark and having that Batmobile or even a monster truck coming through the Gotham City with glowing and stuff, that would be really, really neat. But let's go ahead. It has the BKT tires. There's the Monster Jam logo, the Hot Wheels logo. And also on top we have the two-time Monster Jam World Finals Racing Champion. Hopefully Batman would be coming back. Also the DC characters, DC trucks and Marvel characters. Hopefully they will come back sometime in the future, not in 2019. But hopefully down the road they will be coming back. So let's go ahead. I'm going to turn off the lights and so you can take a look in the glow in the dark. Bam! There you have it. Awesome! So yeah, the roll cage underneath, it glows too, but also the chassis. So really cool. I really like it. Like I said before, the other trucks that I had, the glow-in-the-dark series, was Doomsday. Well, the first one was Gravedigger. I just brought him out. Hopefully you can see it. And then the other one was Doomsday. What I do is I put the trucks underneath a light for a couple seconds, and that helps out to make them glow in the dark. So there you have all three glowing in the dark. I'm gonna move these two out of the way. Come back to Batman here real quickly. And last year in the Team Flag series, he had the Edge Glow roll cage, which that one was pretty cool also with the blue. But this one is awesome as well. So thank you for tuning in. I've been away for a while with unboxings from the Monster Jam series because I was supposed to get 2 cases from Grandpa's Diecast, and Mattel went through the bottom, and just to make it plain and simple, as I wasn't able to get those cases, and so I had to look for them on eBay. And so I'm going to be uploading more of the 2018 Hot Wheel Monster Jam trucks here on my channel, so stay tuned if you enjoy these Monster Jam unboxings. Thank you.